You know, when you have an image and you just wish it could magically turn into a video, something dynamic and exciting. Well, guess what? I and Anmol Memon have found the perfect tool for you, and it's called PixVerse AI. Honestly, this tool blew my mind with how easy and seamless it made the whole process. So, let me show you how. Let's dive in. So I started by uploading a simple image, a thumbnail actually. I just wanted to see how it does, how it performs. And within 20 seconds, I had this amazing image turned off. I mean, how conveniently and how smoothly has it picked the character out of the whole image, and how easy and flawless it looks. I mean, it's like having a professional video editor in your pocket then and there. And it just doesn't stop there. You can always just lip sync, you upscale, you can download and you can retry if you did not like the attempt. Let me just run you guys through the library. How amazing do these images have converted into the videos? So look at these, look at all the characters, look at all the movement, and these are all the new things that I've been creating. Look at this beautiful, beautiful image. It's flawless. Look at the finish of this video. This looks perfect for me. This is the command that was already used for the video. Now, before we move ahead, let me just run you guys through the packages. First, we're just going to be talking about, what the free version offers and what the pricing plans are. Okay, so there's like a basic free plan where you initially get 90 credits and then daily you're going to be refilling with 60 credits, all right? Then there's a standard plan, there's a pro plan, and there's a premium plan. These are the yearly packages. This is the monthly package, okay? And basically you get everything, and then you get additional credits and HD resolution and HD and up to 1080, and then 8 concurrent generations and all of that. And in the paid plan, of course, you get the watermark removal feature as well. However, I have already created 2 accounts, free accounts, and I'm going to show you results on both the accounts of whatever it has generated. Right now in my current account there's 60 left. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up on home. I want to go create this image. So once you click on go create, you're going to get the entire prompt, so you don't have to go ahead and redo it. If you want to make a little bit of changes, go ahead and do it. Let's just make it combines a young girl and a giraffe. It says I'm gonna make it a young girl and then a horse, sort of a unicorn. Let's see how it does. When you create a video altogether, like there's not an image attached, you're going to be using 60 credits. So I'm going to do this for you guys right here. You can also select the model of the tool, like V3 or V2.5. There's multiple effects that you can choose from. There's a style, like you want to go animation, you want to go 3D, you want to go clay. Let's say I want to go simple, so I'm not going to pick anything. And there are 2 different modes you can choose from, and then there is like times that you can choose from, either 5 seconds or 8 seconds. I'm going to go for 8 seconds. And there's performance and there's normal. So performance is going to be coming soon, so we're going to be sticking to normal, and let's go ahead and generate. Okay, so the video is created, and what I can see is that it has actually really smoothly followed all the instructions, because it says the giraffe's elongated neck and patterned skin merged with a human-like face. And then we have spoken about there has to be a host merger sort of a thing. So there it is. Let me show you all. There we go. Sort of like a horse, a girl, and a mixture of a giraffe. Amazing. A lot of the tools don't really understand what's going on and what we're asking for, but this tool has perfectly adopted all the basic elements of the command, and the results are great. Now I'm going to come on to my other account and show you guys what else have I created. Alright, so look at this Christmas music and the whole attire of this woman. Amazing. And I just love how smoothly and conveniently the background was changed. Amazing. Now let me show you the other video that I created of her walking. Look at how smoothly the walk is. So yeah, this is the tool all about. And if you ask me if PixVerse AI is free to use, of course I showed you the free version and the paid version, and you can just make your choice. And I think for a 5 to 8 second video, the free version is justifying more than enough, so that you can make up your mind and go ahead and decide if you want to spend the money or not. And yes, PixVerse is totally safe and private. It's never going to leak out your data. You're always safe when you're using images on this particular tool. So basically, how PixVerse AI work is that it analyzes your image, applies animation, and then adds effects like background music or emotion to create a video. And just 20-second worth of wait, your video is literally right in front of your eyes, which is crazy. And if you ask me what's my favorite part, as I said when I gave it the thumbnail, it perfectly analyzed the bot's face and it changed it into a monster, which was amazing. If you are someone who loves creating social media content, marketing content, or even personal projects, this tool is a total game changer, and I'd give it a solid 4.5 out of 5. Also, if you've been wondering how to use PixVerse AI or if it's the right tool for you, I just told you how to do it. It's absolutely easy. Give it a try and let me know how did you like it and how amazed you were when you used it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'll create with PixVerse AI. Until next time, happy creating.